She's like, I didn't even think she could speak. She's just like the time she spends there, and she's probably Hi. Yeah, we haven't spoken in a while.
Come on, we can't go away. We don't need them, we don't need them, oh, oh.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I can't wait to finish it and then start watching it over again with
I
the
know,
new season.
right? Like rewatching it with an extra season is just the whole point
Yes.
of binge watching.
Yes. Oh, we're so unhealthy when we start watching TV shows.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah?
Have you ever been bullied?
Yeah, has happened before.
Really?
Yeah, since I started in this new school, like on Facebook, some girls added me to a group chat. It was all cyberbullying and stuff like that. So they just added me to that chat and asked me, am I the new girl and where I'm from? When I told them where I'm from and that I'm not originally from here, they just started getting very, I don't know, they just started calling me names and stuff. That I look ridiculous, that I'm a weirdo, I'm a freak, and I should go back to where I came from. And that really, really made me feel terrible. I used to cry myself to sleep because of that. I was always
Bitches.
unhappy.
Bitches, seriously, you shouldn't have to listen to that.
Yeah, I mean, that doesn't really bother me anymore. I mean, it's been a year. You will get used to the thought that I'm here anyway, so. And plus, I got you as a great friend.
you got me now.
Oh, come here. Yay. You're my best friend too.
It's like 4 a.m. or something like that.
No, it's ridiculous. Oh, see you in the morning.